Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we have been given a square APQR, as you can see in this figure, along with a green rectangle partially inscribed in this square, such that this side length AC is equal to this side length CP, and moreover the side length of this green rectangle has been given to us as 7 units, and now we are going to calculate the area of this green rectangle. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. As we want to calculate the area of this green rectangle, and we know that the area of a rectangle is always equal to length times width, if somehow we can find this length, we can easily calculate the area of this green rectangle. And here's a very first step we are going to do. We know that this side length AC equal to this side length CP. Let me go ahead and call this side an A. Then this side is going to be A as well. Then this total length AP is going to be A plus A is going to make a 2A. So the side length AP of this square APQR turns out to be 2A. And since this is a square, each side has an equal length, so this side is going to be 2A as well. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and draw a perpendicular DE, as you can see in this figure, such that this angle D is 90 degrees. And moreover, since we are dealing with this square APQR, so therefore all these angles, the interior angles, are going to be 90 degrees each. And moreover, we can see that this side length PQ is equal to this side length DE, and since this side length 2A, so this has got to be 2A as well. Now let's suppose this side length CE is B units, and now we are going to calculate the value of this B. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this triangle ABC, the shaded one over here. This angle I am going to call alpha as this angle, and this angle I am going to call beta. And since this angle A is 90 degrees, so therefore alpha and beta are going to be complementary angles. And here's the definition of complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if they add up to 90 degrees. So therefore, these alpha and beta would add up to 90 degrees, and this angle is 90 degrees as well. So the sum of the angles of any triangle must be 180 degrees. And now let's focus on other triangle DCE, the one that I have just shaded over here. We know that this angle is 90 degrees, and we know that the sum of all these angles is 180 degrees. So therefore, this angle alpha and this angle are going to be complementary angles. So we know that the complementary angle of alpha is going to be beta. And now we know that this angle D is 90 degrees, so this angle has got to be alpha, since the sum of all these angles must add up to 180 degrees. So thus we conclude that these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DC, are similar triangles according to angle theorem. And here's our angle theorem. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are said to be similar. Then we are going to have equal ratios. As we can see in these both triangles, we can write this one as 7 divided by this side A. I can write 7 divided by this side A equal to, on this other side, this side length B divided by this side length 2A. So I can write B divided by this side 2A. Now let's go ahead and cross multiply to remove these fractions. So that is going to give us simply 7 times 2 become 14A equals to A times B. Let's go ahead and divide both sides by A. So that means we got our B value. This A and A is gone on this side. A and A is gone this side. So B value turns out to be 14. So thus the side lengths of this green rectangle turn out to be 14 and 7. And here's the area of rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. So therefore the area of this green rectangle is going to be simply 14 times 7. That means area turns out to be 98 square units. So thus the area of this green rectangle turns out to be 98 square units, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.